So, I am in the favor of hard work. We are discussing on the topic hard work versus smart work. So, my topic is hard work. So, hard work is that when you put efforts, time, and your cognitive and mind to something you want to learn, this is called hard work.
Hello everyone, myself Mohammad Tufail Khan and I am favoring smart work. We live in 21st century and today is all over India and all over the world is smart work because the time of technology.
Okay, so hard work needs time, hard work needs patience, hard work needs your patience and mindfulness to doing something. When you do hard work to achieve something, it persists with you for a lifetime.
According to me, smart work is very easy to do and hard work is very lengthy.
Hard work is lengthy. Yes, that is right. Hard work is lengthy and smart work consumes less time. But when smart work is called shortcuts and techniques to achieve something, when you use short ways and short tricks to achieve something, you forget it after some times. Like when you giving an examination and you have prepared mnemonics to learn something and you have prepared short notes and something and you give that examination, it goes away with you after that you come out of the examination hall, the knowledge doesn't stays with you because you have just used a short ways to learn that thing.
According to me, if we achieve our goals with smartness, so how we do hard work?
Okay, I think so. Do you agree that cheating in exam is also considered as a smart work?
No,
Why don't?
this is not smart work.
Why not? Cheating is not a smart work.
No.
You have to have mind to
But
do.
sometimes it hard because teaching our surrounding us. So this is the is it this is hard for sometime for us.
What hard for some time.
Like teachers are surrounding. So
Yes.
how can we cheat in exam?
Some people cheats in exam. Do you agree?
Yes, I
Yes, this is also smart work,
Yes.
right? It involves mind. It involves creativity. That what are the ways which can I get this work done without doing an hard work. So sometimes smart work is not ethical. Do you agree?
Yes.
So how do you justify smart work?
See, smart work is very easy to do, and
Yes.
it's now we live in 21st century.
Right.
So everywhere is technology. If we doing hard work, we are back. If we smart work, we achieve our goals easily, and we grow day by day.
To develop that smartness, you have to do hard work first. Like you have to gain knowledge, you have to work on the ground level to achieve something. When you do hard work, it stays with you. You get permanent knowledge. Whereas in smart work, there is temporary knowledge.
But if we our goal easily with smart work, so how we do hard work?
If you don't do hard work, you don't get the depth of the knowledge. Like an UPSC aspirant and the other aspirant who studies about civil services, they have to gain knowledge. They have to add the information piece by piece. They have to read a lot of books. They have to have a busy schedule, tight schedule from early morning to late nights. They do hard work, and after that they achieve the knowledge which are required for this field.
But they use only smart work like using smartphone, laptops and computers. So this is hard work including in smart work.
To develop these smartphones, to develop this technology, a person did hard work.
Yes, I agree with you.
Yes. Another point.
Yes, I agree with you.
Okay, you agree with me?
Yes.
Like hard, you can do smart works. You have to do first hard work. Like you have to gain knowledge. After that, you can do smart work to time consume. Like hard work is sometimes time consuming. You can shorten the time using smart ways, but you can bypass the process hard work because hard work stays with you lifetime. Smart works is just a short time, temporary ways. When you do hard work, your mind involves, your cognitive skills are involved, and you invent a lot of new ideas, creativity skills to do a lot of ways. Okay.
I agree with Gunjan, and according to me, both are important for our life. Thank you for everyone for listening carefully.